What's this, Jelly? What's this?
Why is this hurt?
Do you want the birdie? Oh, look at the state of it, it's all manky. Hello, birdie. I cannot help you, I'm sorry, birdie. Could you turn that down for me, Tad? Are you making a friend? Is that your dinner? Is that your first birdie? Is that your first birdie? You're not going out there. Hello, birdie. Oh, go away, birdie. There's nothing for you here.
I think that might be down that's coming off it. I think it might be
It looks injured or
baby.
something.
No, I think that might be a young bird that's...
It does look quite young. Yeah.
It's massive.
Yeah, but they're huge, those things are.
Depending what it is, yeah.
I think it's just down that's growing out.
You're an idiot, bird. I'm not letting you in. You'll be killed instantly.
It wants to come in, doesn't it?
I couldn't say.
It does. I think if that window's open, it's been in.
You're not coming in, birdie. I don't. But for goodness sake, it's all gone a bit Harry Potter. Deliver your message to us and leave.
Its left leg.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. I'm worried it's injured. If it's injured, we can clear the cats out and bring it in. I mean, its foot's well manky, but that doesn't stop it flying.
It's not putting much weight on it, I don't think.
It flew up here, though, so...
In fact, its toe is bent round.
Yeah, its
It
foot's
looks
really manky, but that doesn't stop it flying. Oh, shall we turf the cats out and bring it in and call the RSPCA?
I think that's a young bird. Because that looks more like down on the front of it.
Why is it trying to get in?
Because it's injured.
Well, I don't know, but that's their instinct.
Well, it's
to
an
get
odd-
human help.
It's definitely an odd thing that it's... Unless it's lost its mother.
It's massive.
It's not, though. They get much bigger than that.
Are you excited? Are you excited? Is it a birdie? I think it's confused.
No, you idiot.
Don't you scare the birdie.
Yeah, I've never seen a bird on any of these windows.
No.
I think it's lost its mom and it's just coming out of babyhood.
I think it's a bird from a wizard who is sending us a message asking if they can borrow our cat.
She doesn't really know how to make a living, does she?
Just pointing like a...
Can't stand there all night, can you?
Yeah, let's have a look at your foot. Turn around, birdie. Turn around, birdie.
Is it looking for food?
I don't know. Maybe it's seen the plants.
Did you throw some bread out?
I don't think.
Did you see it land?
No, I just saw it here. Just appeared right there.
What are you saying? Jelly, I don't think you're helping, baby.
The pig's confused.
I don't think you're helping.
What's happening, piggy? Oh.
Ah!
Oh, it's gone onto the other thing.
It's a downed bird. It's gone down there.